We pay for performance. What is really, really important to us is that we have the best team on the field. We feel terrific about the team that we've got. The strategic focus of the firm is as good as it's ever been. We've got two significant pillars, both of scale. And at the end of the day, the success of that strategy depends on the quality of our people. So we're very focused on keeping the best people at the firm, working together. The global footprint that we've put together over the last 4 decades probably is a key differentiator for us. And our people feel good. They like the focus of the firm. They like the scale that we have and the leadership positions we have in our business. And we'll play the ball at our feet. There's going to be unpredictable moments this year. There's going to be uncertainty. There are going to be issues that come across our plate that we haven't foreseen. With the best people, the best team working together, you can deal with those.
So, Richard, I mean, there was a point where Goldman, of course, was almost in the eye of a storm, and we don't really hear about that anymore. Do you think that's like a thing of the past?
Strategic clarity is a fantastic thing, and I think we've got that. And I think as we close the chapter on 23 and move into 24, it's all about execution, continuing to build scale in these businesses, and that's what our people are focused on.
Where do you see the best growth actually coming from your regions?
Well, it's interesting. I was in Asia last week. It was terrific to be in Japan. A lot of enthusiasm around Japan, and I think we'll spend a lot more time talking about Japan as we go through this year. They're going to have to think through a change in monetary policy, and inflation is back there. And it's when you go there, you're just reminded of the scale of the manufacturing capability, the scale of that economy. It's going to be an important market to focus on. Of course, India is terrific. Everybody we talk to is doing more in India. We're doing more in India, so I think that'll be interesting. But then, of course, in the big two developed markets, the US and Europe, activity in the capital market side we expect to pick up. It'll be at a steady pace, maybe not back to peak levels, but it'll be better than it was. We expect 24 than 23. Capital markets do not stay shut forever. They reopened at the back of last year. They'll continue to reopen. That's our belief.
So are there pockets where you actually see hiring to actually make up for maybe some of the strength that you were talking about in certain specific businesses or regions?
We hire every single year. We're hiring 3,500 people or so from campus. We do that year in and year out. It's really important to continue to feed the machine and build the next generation. So that we're always doing. And then, of course, laterally we bring people in to drive certain pockets. Our asset wealth management platform, broadly defined, is a huge focus for us. And so that will receive significant attention.